Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step guide on how to deactivate your Instagram account without deleting it permanently. This is perfect if you just want to take a break from social media but still keep all your photos, videos, and data. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Instagram app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, you'll be taken to your profile page. From here, go to the menu or settings section and tap on Account Center. After that, tap on Manage Account. You'll now see a list of accounts connected to your account center. Choose the account that you want to deactivate. Once selected, tap on Manage. Then look for the option Deactivation or Deletion and tap on it to continue. Here, you'll be given two options, Deactivate Account, Delete Account. Make sure you select Deactivate Account. Just a quick note, deactivating your account is temporary. Your profile, photos, comments, and likes will be hidden, but not deleted. You can reactivate your account anytime just by logging back in. However, if you choose to delete your account, everything will be permanently removed and cannot be recovered. So for this tutorial, we'll choose Deactivate Account, then tap Continue. On the next screen, Instagram will ask you to enter your password for security reasons. Enter your password, then tap Continue. After that, select a reason for deactivating your account. You can choose any option, then tap Continue. Now, scroll down a bit. You'll see an option for automatic reactivation. Instagram allows you to automatically reactivate your account after a certain number of days, like 1 day, 2 days, or up to 7 days. But if you prefer to reactivate it manually, just turn off the automatic reactivation option. Once done, tap Done, then tap Continue. Finally, confirm your action by tapping Deactivate Account. And that's it! Your Instagram account has now been successfully deactivated. Your profile will no longer be visible to others. But don't worry, your data will not be deleted. Whenever you're ready, just log back in, and your account will be reactivated instantly. Alright, that's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!